So first of all, go to your Roblox Studio and open your game or experience. Now, here we have to enable Explorer, Properties, Toolbox. Now, come to this toolbox. Here, select Creator Store. Then click this search box and type here ACS Official. Search for it. And here you will find lots of ACS Official. You can just scroll down and you have to pick a good one with good rating. So if you hover over on any of the ACS Official, you can see the rating of the ACS Official. So as you can see, these ACS Official using 400 plus users. So I'm just adding this one, just clicking on this and clicking on OK. And under Explorer, we can see ACS Official successfully added. Now expand this, and now we have to unzip all of them. So first of all, expand this ACS footstep, and here ungroup in sound service. So expand this and you have to drag and drop these. Let's search for sound service. So here is sound service. I'm just closing properties for now. And then we have to expand this ungroup in starter player script. So we have to drag it, starter player scripts, starter player scripts. So here, starter player scripts, I'm adding it. And then we have to expand these one, and we have to ungroup these in server script service. Let's find out server script service. Okay. And now we have to expand this one, ungroup in replicated storage. Here is replicated storage. Then we have to ungroup in server script service, this one. Server script service. Where is server script service? So here. And now let's expand this one. And we have to add these in starter character scripts. Starter character script. So here is starter character scripts. Then ungroup this one in starter player scripts. Starter player script. Okay. Then expand ungroup in workspace and simply drag and drop this ACS workspace in workspace just like this. Okay, now we have to unzip tools. So expand tools and here select the first one, hold down your shift key and click on the last one to select everything inside tools. And now we have to add all of them in starter pack. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and save your experience to Roblox. Now I'm just playing my game. And that's how you can actually add ACS guns in our Roblox. Thanks for watching.